Hey, what's up, Fondi X holder? So what's going on, my millionaire brother? Today video is going very special for Fondi X holder because this is one big reason to Fondi X slowly get down, completely get down. And I think the Fondi X price has come to zero. This time the price has come to 4.15, and the latest price you can see here this time. The latest price is 4.15. They come to 5 US dollars something to 4.15 US dollars. You can see here the chain occur very small chain, 1.67% they gone down. This is very small change, but they are hourly, day by day, anytime they gone down. So this is very badly, you can see here. So guys, if you can see here this time with the start of month they take a very high jump, people starting selling it absolutely. And the start of your month everyone can sell it to make a good profit, to make money. Okay, this time you can see here they completely gone down, but again at the mid of month they take a very high jump. You can see here they take a very high jump and they're going again very fastly. But after this jump, this is I think the last jump of Fondi X. I don't know, this is the last jump, but I hope in upcoming time they also gone very fastly. You can see here this time they take a very badly dump. Absolutely, they gone very fastly down, but again they take a very small jump, and again they take a very slowly they're starting moving up or down. Okay, so I think the price come to zero, my friends. The price is come to zero. If the price has come to zero, then everyone can lost. So I think this is absolutely good time to use sell it. Absolutely, this is the last point to use sell it. You can see here for price change and last 24 hour as 0.06986. This is half, I think not half US dollar, but I think they complete in a week half dollar. So if they half dollar go come down, so they cannot make you millionaire. They give you a very bad profit. Absolutely, they are in the loss. Absolutely, you can see here the last 24 hour low and the last 24 hour high chain. You can see here they come to 4.10 US dollar. Oh my goodness, this is very badly gone down. But if you can see here the jump, oh my goodness, the chain and jump, absolutely good jump, 4.77 US dollar they gone up. So congratulations, my brother, this is very good jump. And if they take this type jump, then I think I suggest you to please sell it. Okay, please be focused and sell it. This time is good for you to use sell it. Trading volume has 20.11% come down, so this is very badly down, my friend, and I think this is very bad. Oh my goodness, the market cap you can see here 7.25% going down, my friends. So Fondi X, the decision is final to Fondi X, especially in those days gone down very badly, and upcoming day they also gone down. Yes, in upcoming days they also gone down completely, slowly, but they completely gone down. So my friends, the decision is for you. You search personally, but I cannot suggest you. I cannot ask you to please sell it. Just I share my opinion to Fondi X completely gone down. Decision is for you to you sell it, buy it, hold it. Okay, but I am going to sell it for a good time. When good time is coming, then I completely sell it and be safe from more loss. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy this video. Hope you understand something new in this video. Allah Hafiz, take care. Please subscribe our YouTube channel if you need this type more informative videos.